What's your secret form of revenge when your spouse hurts you? May kilala ako na nag-cheat kapag gustong mag-get back sa spouse.
Oh, wow.
That is crazy.
Wow.
Kung ganun lang din,
Hardcore.
parang hiwalay na lang kaya kayo.
Hiwalay na lang kayo.
Diba? I don't know, man. Am I just so idealistic about marriage? Kasi in my head, parang just talk it out. But then again,
you're so idealistic.
But then again,
sure.
you read stuff like this and
Hindi,
you're
kasi
like,
inisip ko, if you can say that couples can talk it out, but some conversations have been happening for years and years and years, resolving nothing.
So ito, natawa ko dito. Ito, magugulat na lang siya na naggala kaming mag-ina at kumain sa favorite restaurant niya without him.
Very petty. Pero nakakainis yun na. Yung parang,
sa kayo galing? Para sa
diba?
kayo?
Sa kayo.
Nasa favorite restaurant, diba? Sa Jiangnam, nag-hotpot. Okay, ito pa. I sleep naked or walk around the house in my underwear.
Takamin mo.
Correct. Para maglaway daw yung asawa niya. Tapos, can't touch. Magkaaway tayo.
You know what? Well, first of all, kudos to that woman for having self-control. I mean, mamaya pag nag-pounce naman sa kanya yung husband niya, hindi din siya makaano.
Oo nga.
Ang kulit nitong thread na to.
Ito, funny din to. Petty cleaning. Only washing your clothes, doing your own dishes. Di ba?
Vacuuming your own. Pag mag-isa ka.
Yung gagawin yung chores.
Mag-isa ka.
For us both.
Oh my gosh.
Gawin mo yan.
Ikaw, anong petty revenge mo sa akin pag naiinis ka sa akin?
Kinukuha ko yung snacks mo sa kwarto mo. Ginagamit ko yung mga, gamit mo. Nagnanakaw ako ng gamit sa backstocks mo. Wow, dami ko nang sinabi.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo to get back at me?
To get back at you?
Oo. Di mo ako sinasama.
Di kita sasama.
Alam ko yung magtatanong. Saan ka pupunta?
Mag-isa ka.
Kami lang ni Lou. Okay. Sige. Enjoy kayo.
Oh my gosh, we know each other too well. But thanks for putting it
Don't
out there.
lock your room. I can pick it. I can pick the lock.
Stop. Kaya pala parang iisip ko,
Uy, grabe, hindi naman madami. Konti-konti lang ako kumuha.
Ngayon, gaganyan. Ngayon, aatras. Ngayon, kakambyo ka. Kaya pala may wala akong snacks, walang yaka. Inisip ko sa araw pa. Pero okay lang. Sige, we can share the calories.
Okay, so this is crazy. I mean, in my head, I don't know, can't you talk it out?
Well, can't we talk it out? Here we are with our petty revenge. Duh.
I guess revenge kasi is like your own satisfaction.
Yung
nakaisa ako. Just to even it out.
Pero ito, petty to. Merong mga mas intense.
Petty to. Merong mas intense na revenge mode.